Have you ever wondered why math is all around us? Like science, there are also branches of mathematics which include calculus. Specifically, in this video, we will talk about one of the most fundamental topics in basic calculus, and that is integration by substitution using pattern recognition. In the real world, this topic is important for lots of things, and it is especially useful for determining how much things grow within an interval of time. It can help us understand the spread of disease, weather and climate prediction, traffic flow, financial markets, population growth, water pollution, chemical reactions, suspension bridges, rain functions, rocket tumor growth, radioactive decay, airflow across a plane's wing, electrical circuits, planetary motion, and the vibration of guitar strings. For the application of integration by substitution using pattern recognition, here are the three examples of our group.
For number 1, the given is the integral of 18x times the quantity of 3 plus 9x squared raised to the 7th power dx. The first thing we need to do is find the function of the said integral, which is g of x is equal to 3 plus 9x squared. Then, the next step we need to do is find the derivative of the said function, which is g prime of x is equal to 18x. This equates to the quantity of 3 plus 9x squared raised to the 7th power plus 1 over 7 plus 1. Don't forget the plus c. The last step, we need to simplify the said equation, which is 1 over 8 times the quantity of 3 plus 9x squared raised to the 8th power plus c. This is the answer.
Now we proceed to number 2. The given is integral of x squared times the quantity of x cubed minus 9 raised to the 4th power dx. First thing we do is get the function of the said integral. The function is g of x is equals to x cubed minus 9. Then we get the derivative of this said function. The derivative is g prime of x is equals to 3x squared. We need to rewrite this as 1/3 times the integral of x cubed minus 9 raised to the 4th power times the quantity of 3x squared dx. We need to multiply 1/3 to this one for it to be equal to this one. Now we need to solve for this integral. It is equals to 1/3 times the quantity of x cubed minus 9 raised to 4th power plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. Don't forget to add c. Then we need to simplify this to 1/3 times the quantity of 1/5 times the quantity of x cubed minus 9 raised to the 5th power plus c. This equates to 1 over 15 times the quantity of x cubed minus 9 raised to the 5th power plus c.
For the third example, integral of 12x squared times the square root of 4x cubed minus 1 dx. First, we'll get the g of x, which is (4x cubed minus 1), and its derivative g prime of x is equals to 12x squared. Since we have the function of g of x, we can now start the formula for solving the integral. First, we'll write the g of x, which is 4x cubed minus 1. We'll replace the radical sign with the exponent 1/2. We'll use the power rule. Then simplify. We'll come up with the answer 4x cubed minus 1 times raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 half plus c. Then we'll get the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 2/3 times 4x cubed minus 1 raised to 3 halves plus c. Or 2 over 3 times the square root of 4x cubed minus 1 raised to 3 plus c.
At the end of this lesson, we have learned that integration by substitution, also called as U-substitution or the reverse chain rule, is a method to find integral, but only when it can be set up in a special way. Remember that the most essential way to solve the integral given is to write the integral in this form. The integral of f of g of x times g prime x dx. Note that we have g of x and its derivative g prime of x. To solve the integral, we can use the acronym RAIV, meaning write the given, rewrite the given, integrate the given, and bring back u as g of x. For example, write the given integral of cosine x squared times 6x dx. Find the derivatives and find the function. Number 2, rewrite the given. 3 times the integral of cosine u du. Number 3, integrate the given. 3 times the integral of cosine u du is equals to 3 sine u plus c. Number 4, put u is equals to x squared back again. Then the answer will be 3 sine times x squared plus c.